Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and happy Easter and happy April Fool's Day, everyone. April 1st. Good to be in April now. Let's begin with my morning news report. Remembering the April Fool's Day blizzard 21 years later. Unforgettable storm struck region in 1997. If you were in New England 21 years ago, you'll remember that the snow that fell that day was no joke. An unforgettable blizzard struck the region, bringing 20 to 30 inches of snow to a wide swath of Massachusetts and southern New Hampshire. The storm struck New England on March 31st and persisted through the 1st of April. In the video above, you can check out some of the snowy scenes across the state 21 years ago. Let's take a look at the video now.
Consolidated has provided advanced communications to homes and businesses, just like yours, for over 100 years.
Okay, and there you go on the video, and look at those snow totals from that
Don't use
day.
your old mattress as a trick.
So in the pink it says 20 to 30 inches. In the dark bluish color, 10 to 20 inches. And then the light bluish, 4 to 10 inches. Wow. A lot of snow that day. And now that brings us to our question of the day. If you were around back in 1997, and if you remember the April Fool's Day blizzard, comment below and let us know. And if you have any photos from it, send us photos. We'd like to see them. And that does it for my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.